Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will set up both runtimes now, install Flutter and Python, then make a working folder. Once done, create a Flutter app with Flutter Create My App and open it. Next, create and activate a Python virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Use Python mvenv, then source venv/bin/activate or venv/scripts/activate. Make sure pip is upgraded. Finally, plan whether Python runs locally on a server or via FFI. Choose the integration method before coding. You now pick and implement the integration. For REST, create a fast API or Flask service, define JSON endpoints, enable cores, and test with curl or Postman. For gRPC, generate stubs and wire proto definitions on both sides. If you prefer native embedding or FFI for speed, implement a Python extension or use platform channels to call native code. Compile any required bindings. Once your API or bridge is working locally, write Flutter HTTP or gRPC client code and confirm request-response cycles. You finish by deploying or packaging the Python side and integrating final UI elements. Deploy via Docker or a hosting platform, or create a standalone binary if you must run Python on device. Then implement error handling, retries, and clear UI states in Flutter. Validate schemas and types at both ends. If things go wrong, inspect logs and network traffic first, verify cores and API routes, and confirm runtime versions match. Make incremental tests after each change to isolate issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.